Parker thinks it's for him. Parker thinks it's for him. What did Grandmommy give you? Come here, Parker. Come here. What did Grandmommy give you? Keep going. Oh, I gotta take the card off. We'll read that next. What is that? Keep going. Is there a bunny? Is there a bunny? Whoa. I think somebody's ready for his first birthday. To open presents. Let's see. Whoa, turn it around. It's a bunny book. It's a bunny book. That book's gonna put you to sleep. Or Mommy. You like the paper? Let's look at the book. Oh, bunnies. Is that a funny bunny? Is that a funny bunny? No. Hey, you never put stuff in your mouth. Oh, I think it's nap time. He's over the book.